Also, big news here. One of my long-term supporters who's been with me on Patreon for I think 2 years or more. He was a VIP supporter at one point. He has just successfully released To Be a King on Steam. That's an adult visual novel, and it's been out for a while, but it's just been released on Steam yesterday. IT Roy, super congratulations for making that happen. This is something that's been nudity, oh dear. So this is something that's been entirely made inside Daz Studio, and that is quite an achievement. And IT Roy has been working on this flat out for so many years. Ascania, well spotted. And Roy is absolutely awesome. He's super helpful. He has a really successful YouTube channel, and if you are interested in seeing what can be done as a finished product, from start to finish, then you should check out Roy's channel. He's got tons of tips, and he's now released his game on Steam, which is quite an achievement, I gotta say. Really cool. So congrats, Roy. Absolutely cool.